everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi, welcome to Indian Wiki Media IWM Buzz. How are you?
Hi Manisha, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Madhurima, what's happening? Show is wrapped up recently. So what are you doing?
It's wrapped up, and I'm a little sad that why not so early, but yeah, I'm a little sad because obviously you get attached to the show,
True.
to the people, co-actors around. So I'm a bit sad, but then yeah, now I've gotten off, so I'm gonna have fun, explore the world and travel and be with my family. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do as of now.
Okay, so what now? Have you planned any travel, any trip, anything?
I just came back from Mahabaleshwar, and I think now I'm going to go to Uttarakhand. I want to go to Kedarnath and Badrinath. I've been to Gangotri, now those two are remaining. So that's my next plan. Yeah, I think Uttarakhand is beautiful. I am from Uttarakhand and it's beautiful. So it feels great to be there and very fresh, and you get to, really relaxed over there. So I think I'm heading over there.
Nice. A lot of fans were waiting, I guess, to chat with you. So they have already come. So I'll take their questions.
Hey guys.
So Riya Sethia is asking. She's saying hi, and she's asking how has been Chandrakanta journey for you.
Oh, it's been amazing. Chandrakanta's journey was fantastic. I think when I got the project, I was blessed. I think because it is such an iconic character. It's already been played by someone which is a super hit already, and playing this was it was just I think I learned a lot from it, and I hope I played it well, that you guys enjoyed it, because playing Chandrakanta was, I mean, I didn't know how do I take it further, because she is a warrior princess.
True.
She's a daughter, she's a wife, she's a lover, then she becomes a mother also. So she has so many shades to do.
True.
I thoroughly enjoyed doing it, and I hope you guys also enjoyed it.
Okay, Sparkly, a fan of yours, she's asking which character of yours you loved the most.
I think I love Chandrakanta, whatever I've done right now. I mean, I think I thoroughly enjoyed playing Chandrakanta because that was I think it's a dream role, playing Chandrakanta. So I think Chandrakanta would be my topmost till date.
Nice. Okay, Radhika, a fan of yours, she's asking, do you see my VMs which I make for you?
Yes, I do. That's very sweet. It's beautiful. Next time I'll like it also. And but they are wonderful. Thank you so much for those lovely VMs.
Okay, Astha is asking, who is an inspiration in your life?
My mother, and definitely I love Madhuri Dixit. So these two are my most inspirational women in my life. Yeah.
Okay. Hira Devi, a fan of yours, she's asking, what motivates you to become an actor?
What motivates me? I think I love acting. I love to act. बचपन से थोड़ी नौटंकी रही हूँ. So I think and plus movies really fascinates me. I mean, the way they portray character, you get to play so many characters, different characters. That's what मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा उत्साहित करता है. So I think that's why I love acting, and that's why I'm here, and that's what motivates me.
Okay, Aisha Desai, a fan of yours, is asking, how's working experience with Urvashi Dholakia ma'am?
Amazing. She is a wonderful human being, and a wonderful actor, and working with her was like again a dream come true, because I'm also a big fan of her. I loved her in in Kasauti Zindagi Ki as Kamalika. And I used to see her, look at her, and the way she used to flick her latte and all that. So I think she's fantastic, fabulous, and I just love her. And I think we all love her.
Yeah, true, very true. Okay, Pooja, a fan of yours, is asking, what's your future plan now?
Well, no, good question. But honestly, I want to relax for a bit because Chandrakanta was very tiring and toxic. But but I think hopefully something good. I've done 2 short films which are very very different, and I think they are something which you'll enjoy watching. So and they are coming up soon. So that's what is coming up next, and let's see. I mean, what comes up next? I'm sure something good. Let's. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best.
Okay, Neha Poddar, a fan of yours, is saying that you look beautiful. Can you share a few beauty tips, please?
Thank you. That's so sweet, Neha. Beauty tips. Well, I get up in the morning. I wash my face and I apply a sunscreen or a moisturizer. And whenever I wear makeup, I make sure that when I come back home, I remove it properly and then go to sleep, because otherwise you get pimples. You get so many things. So. Yeah, and then apply a night cream and maybe tomato and ice to just get rid of your under eyes and swelling. So yeah, I think otherwise I think we girls are fab.
Which is true.
Yeah.
Okay, Prashant is asking, what had you learned from the character Chandrakanta?
Well, a lot of things. To be focused, to love each and every person who's around you, to take care of them. If you can, then definitely take care of the other person who's in need, and always have that strength to stand for the right thing, and always say no to whatever. If something bad is happening, always say no to that. So yeah, I mean, I think great things I've learned from Chandrakanta, and I hope I keep staying to it. I mean, I stay true to it, and I believe in it, and I continue being like that.
Okay, Asta Singh is asking, who's your favorite co-star?
My favorite co-star, there are so many. I mean, I think Vishal, Urvashi ma'am, and then we have Akshay Kumar sir, and then we have Shabbir. I think all of them, they've been fantastic co-actors with me, and I've thoroughly enjoyed Sriti Jha. I think she's lovely. I love her. And they've been great. And the best would be, I think, Akshay Kumar, definitely. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Achal is asking, ma'am, in your life, who do you love the most?
In my life, I love my family the most, and especially my mom. I just love her because and yesterday was Happy Mother's Day, and
Yeah.
So yeah. But then yes, I love my mother, and she's my strength. So she's been there all the time whenever I need her. So I think we all love our mother. So
True,
yeah.
very true. Okay, Manasvi is asking, what is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine would be ghar ka bana hua rajma chawal and raita. That's my favorite cuisine, and I just love it. I can eat it, and arhar ki dal also I like it. So I can just eat it whenever I want. I mean, bahar ka khana I avoid. I prefer ghar ka khana.
Okay, Niharika Srivastava is asking that who was a prankster on set of Chandrakanta?
I think Vishal and Urvashi. Yeah, they were the biggest pranksters. And especially Urvashi, I think she's very naughty. That means she looks very sweet and all, but she's the naughtiest of them all. But a wonderful human being. So we love her.
Okay, it's Aisha Desai's birthday, so she's asking if you can wish her.
Hey Aisha Desai, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness in the world you want.
Okay, Harshita is asking that which is the place that you want to visit?
I want to visit. I want to go to London. I mean, I'm dying since last 7 years. I mean, it's just like happening and getting cancelled. So the next thing I want to go is after my Uttarakhand trip is London.
Okay, nice. Okay, Prashant is asking, you had any idea about your show doing so well and getting so much love from the audience?
Honestly, trust me, I didn't have any idea because we shoot in the closed doors. I mean, we hardly get time to go out anywhere or check anything, whatever, whether people are liking it or not liking it. But we knew somewhere that yes, I mean, people are liking it. That's why it's still on and it's going pretty well. But the way you're saying it, so much love means a lot. Thank you so much. It really feels great.
Okay, Pratiksha is saying that you and Vishal look cute and adorable together.
Thank you.
In the show.
Thank you, Pratiksha.
Meera Kulkarni is saying that Chandrakanta was the best show. Thank you so much.
That's so sweet. Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Okay, Asta is saying that what has been the best show of your career?
I think Chandrakanta definitely yes, and Kumkum Bhagya was my best show. I think I quit that. It didn't backfire, but somehow I feel bad about it because it's a beautiful show. It's still running,
Yeah.
and my character was lovely. People
Yes.
loved it so much. So yeah, that Kumkum Bhagya would be my second best show.
Okay, Sammy is asking, would you like to work in a comic show?
Oh yes,
Comedy.
I would love to. I mean, I remember once I had to perform a comic scene in my course, acting course, and I was crying. I was like, I cannot do comedy. क्या होगा मेरा, मुझे नहीं करना. मैं सर को बोली, सर प्लीज मुझे जाने दो. But then sir was very strict. You can do it. You'll have to do it. And when I did, people did laugh. So I think I want to definitely, comedy is very difficult.
True,
It's
very true.
very difficult. So I think I would definitely want to try comedy. Yes.
Okay, Harshita wants few fashion goals from you.
Wow, okay. Fashion goals, I would say, I think whatever makes you comfortable, I think you should wear it. The color, bright colors, I think bright color suits everyone. So I think we should wear bright color in summers. So maybe something which is very comfortable and which looks smart. That's the best fashion goal, I would say.
Okay, Manasvi is asking that what do you love doing in your pastime?
I love reading books. I've started. I would lie if I say that I'm a bookie. I've just started enjoying. पहले तक I used to be. I used to learn dancing. I was very much keen on dancing. So I did dancing, and then I used to hang out with friends. That was my pastime. Now I've realized that okay, I'm a grown up हो गई हूँ, so I should inculcate myself into reading and watching movies and all that. So that's what is my pastime these days. So yeah, I meet friends, I hang out with them, I read books in the night and sometimes watch films.
Nice. Okay, Pratiksha is saying that any movie plans in future?
Yes, definitely. I would love to. Maybe something nice if it comes up to me. I would definitely love to do it. I mean, there are directors, my dream directors whom I want to work with, production houses. So I am just keeping my fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. I'm just hoping for the best, and hopefully you'll see me soon somewhere.
Nice. Chalo, we'll play a fun game with you. There are few English translations of the Hindi songs. I'll tell you these English translation, and you have to guess these songs. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one goes like this.
Yeah.
Oh, this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
ये रातें, ये मौसम,
Perfect.
नदी का किनारा.
Oh, you're good with songs, huh?
Yeah. Sometimes I just get lucky.
Okay, the other one is day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
Days about ढल गया दिन,
Perfect.
हो गई शाम.
Yay! Okay, the other one is what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief, the day my heart forgets you.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
या तो मेरे questions बहुत easy है या आप बहुत smart
I
हैं.
am very smart. So they're actually fun.
Okay, the other one is
छाँव है कहीं कहीं है धूप जिंदगी.
अब मैं एकदम difficult वाला पूछूंगी.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as if you were made only for me.
कभी कभी
ये तो difficult भी easy हो गया.
ख्याल. Okay, wow.
Okay, the last one is your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words.
तुम्हारी तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी कहानी. Something like that?
No, that is a different song, but this
Oh.
is a different song.
Can you come again?
Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words.
तेरी मेरी कहानी बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ, गाने की तरह गाना है उसको.
तेरी तेरी मेरी कहानी बड़ी मुश्किल है. Oh, shit.
अरे हमने स्टार्टिंग सही गाया है, पता है पूरा सब
तेरी-
लिरिक्स आर राइट.
तेरी मेरी कहानी. मैं उसमें आ जा रही हूँ.
चलो ये मैं बता देती हूँ, आप
please.
सही हो इसलिए मैं बता देती हूँ.
Yeah.
तेरी तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है
मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो।
देखो आपके बहुत सारे फैन बोले आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है, तो आपको गाना गाना है उन सब के लिए।
थैंक यू। मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे कहा था कि बेटा कुछ भी करना गाना बजाना। मैं इतनी बेसुरी हूँ।
नहीं सब बोल रहे हैं आपको गाना पड़ेगा आपके फैंस के लिए।
Oh shit.
Anything that is current favorite you can sing for them.
Okay. तिनका तिनका जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा, हर दिल में अरमां होते तो हैं, हर दिल में अरमां होते तो हैं, बस कोई समझे जरा। I think मैं better पहले वाला ज़्यादा better गाई हूँ।
नहीं saying ma'am your Chandrakanta show was superb. You and Vishal sir were the best choice for the Chandrakanta show. You two look cute together in the show. Love you so much.
Thank you so much, Archil. Means a lot. Mwah. Love you too.
Okay, Janvi is saying we really miss you in Kumkum Bhagya. Oh my God.
So sweet.
Oh,
I mean,
so sweet.
that's so lovely. People still remember.
Yeah.
I mean, that feels really great. Thank you so much for loving my character so much. And I also miss Kumkum Bhagya. But right now, Leena is playing a fantastic role. So maybe somewhere else you'll see me. Something else.
Okay, Umesha, a fan of yours, she never misses a single show. Her friend is telling you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. My episode, Chandrakant, you don't miss it. That's lovely. It feels so good to hear this. Thank you so much.
Okay, people are asking if you're coming any day to Kolkata. There are a lot of fans in Kolkata.
Wow, that's so sweet. Not very soon, but whenever I come, I'll definitely shout out. And you'll know, and I'll see you guys.
Okay, Bhavya is saying, how was your experience working with Akshay sir in the movie?
The movie, I mean, I think it was an amazing experience because he is a superstar, but he never behaved like one. When I met him first, he really treated me as like a human being. How he treats so I think he doesn't have this in his head that oh, I'm a star or something like that. And very disciplined, very hardworking, as we all know, and he had really comforted me to play my character Anjali. I mean, to play his wife. I was really nervous. How would I do it, whether I'll be able to do it or not, but he really made me comfortable and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Oh, nice. Preeti is asking, how do you take care of yourself in summers?
Wow, I think I drink a lot of water. I have Nimbu Pani, sometimes Electrol, Glucon-D I prefer, but Nimbu Pani is the best thing I think. And yeah, I eat salads, dal. I mean, because sometimes you don't feel, it's so hot that sometimes you don't feel like having roti, sabzi and all that. So I think you should have more of liquid stuff and stay healthy. Yeah.
Okay, Manasvi is saying that her little sister is just few years old and she loves you so much. Please say her name. Her name is Ananya.
Hey Ananya, love you so much. Thank you so much. You're beautiful. You're gorgeous. I love you. Mwah.
Okay, Prashant is asking, what type of music do you love?
I like, I love Bollywood. Bollywood is my favorite, but I also like pop. I like, yeah, pop is my favorite, and hip hop also I like.
You're into dancing?
I'm into dancing, yes. I love dancing. I learned Odissi dance.
Oh,
so
nice.
yes, yeah. That's why I think I like hip hop.
Yes. Okay, Preeti is saying, if you are in a bad mood, what do you do to get back in normal?
Well, I go to my room, I just be with myself and I say Om Namah Shivaya, I think 10 to 15 times. I just relax my mind, my body, and yeah, calm myself and I get better.
Okay. Priya is asking, what is the best thing you like about this industry?
The best thing about this industry is that we are all united. I mean, there's a lot of unity. I mean, if you are in trouble, they'll be always there for you. I mean, there are if you have friends, they are your real friends. I mean, they're not just fake. They're not fake friends, and they'll be there for you. So.
Okay, Ashfaq is saying we really want to see on silver screen now. Please come back soon.
Oh, that's so sweet, Ashfaq. Thank you so much. I am really waiting for it. Let's see. Hope for the best. I am waiting for it. Hope it happens soon.
Okay, Preeti has two questions. First, she asks, how do you prepare yourself every morning to start a hectic day ahead? First, you'll answer this and then
Yes.
I'll.
Oh God, that's a very, very good question. It becomes very difficult sometimes to get up every day to go to your work. It becomes very monotonous, and you have to really push yourself to go for it. I think I think in the night only you need to think that okay, the next day is a new beginning, new day. You have to get back to work and give in your best. And next day, keep that thought in mind and just get up so that you. Come back fresh, not with a lazy feel or a very lethargic way. I think once you have that thought that okay, I have to give in my best, I have to be someone, I have to reach somewhere to a certain position, or maybe to give in to just love my work. To I think that's how it is. That if you love your work, I think you just get that push, you get that energy automatically.
Okay, the other question was, how do you feel when you are mobbed by so many fans in public places, and how do you manage?
Oh, it becomes sometimes very difficult. I mean, but yeah, I think they are very crazy. Some people just come and push you, and you might just fall sometimes. But I mean, luckily I've been to places where there are guards always around, so I didn't get that much trouble. Handling them, they've handled it. So yeah, I mean, but otherwise it feels great that ways to see your fans all you getting mobbed, because that's why you are here for.
True.
And yeah.
Okay, Shrinika, a fan, she's saying, I see the old episode of Chandrakanta again and again. Chandrakanta is the best show, and love you, Di. You're the best for me. Please say my name.
So sweet. I didn't get your name.
Shrinika.
Shrinika, thank you so much. That means really a lot. I love you so much that you're still watching Chandrakanta and the previous episodes also. That really means a lot.
Okay, Manasvi is saying, what message would you give to people who get inspired by you?
Wow, that feels great. First of all, thank you. I think keep working hard, stay focused, love your family, and love yourself. That's what it is, and rest, God is there. Just have faith in Him, and you'll do wonders.
Okay, Harshad is asking, what's a dream role?
My dream role. I think I loved fashion. I loved Cocktail. I loved Gone Girl. There's a film, and I love Tomb Raider. So I mean, I think I want to do an action film. Yeah, so that's
Marna
Peetna, like what Chandrakanta maybe tha, plus she's a warrior princess and all.
Yeah.
So I've learned sword fighting from that, so I want to use it somewhere.
Good. Okay, Sammy is asking, any message you want to give to all the women in the world?
I think we as women are very strong. I mean, we just need to know that we are very strong. I mean, we don't need a man to give us some validation or give us that strength. We inside ourselves, we are that strong that we can handle anybody and anywhere in this world. So just be who you are, and work towards your life, work towards your goal, and nothing can touch you, nothing can reach you.
Okay, Priya is asking, what makes you happy after a long tiring day?
What makes me happy after a long tiring day? I think to meet my family, and maybe to see my bed and get cozy and just sleep.
Okay, it's such a sweet message. Okay, Asta is saying, your best dialogue for me is from Baby Bas Marna Mat to Akshay Kumar. So can you please tell that once?
Bas marna mat.
Oh.
But yeah, that's so sweet. But I would say bas khush rehna. Now I would say bas khush rehna.
Okay, Harshit is asking, what is the success according to you? What's your take on it? Or
success is not defined as such. I think if you've done a work which is appreciated by people, that's success. I mean, it can happen. If you get famous, you get like a lot of fame, that's also success. And if you get a little fame, that's also success. If you are satisfied, you are content in yourself, I think that's success.
Very true. Okay, Suzanne is asking, when is your short movie Pasta coming?
Well, that's coming out next Sunday, this coming Sunday. So I am pretty much excited, and let's see how it comes because I haven't seen the film yet. I am very nervous. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, I think by Monday you'll be seeing it.
Okay, how has been your experience working with Sharad?
Oh, amazing! He's a fantastic actor. He's a human being also, and I mean I hardly worked for 2 days with him, but it was great. He's lovely.
Okay, what kind of acting roles do you prefer? Aman is asking a fan.
What kind of acting roles?
Hmm.
I think I like a strong character roles where women has substance.
Oh.
She has things to do, and I also like commercial films where she has a lot to do. She has to dance, she has to do comedy, she has to romance, she has to do emotional scenes. I think I love all these.
Okay, Varsha is asking what is your philosophy or motto that you live by in your life?
Live, love, laugh. That's my motto. That's my philosophy.
Okay, so we'll take a final message for all your fans who are here to chat with you. You can give them a message.
Wow, that feels so great. I really enjoyed chatting with you all. I think I never expected that. This is my first time. And I had a blast. Thank you so much for loving Chandrakanta so much. It really means a lot, and wish you guys all the best in your future. Hope you get all the success. And yeah, love you all. Hope to see you soon.
They're asking you to come live and be more active on social media.
Yes, I think that's what I should have done, while Chandrakanta also. I didn't do it, and I regret it now, but next time I'm going to be more live, more active, for sure, for you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
It
Thank
was
you.
fun
Bye.
having you.
Love you.
Bye.